Welcome to my channel. Amped Wireless High Power Wireless N600mW Smart Repeater SR10000. Placement: choose a location for the repeater where it can receive a strong signal from your existing wireless network, router/AP, but still extend coverage to the desired area. Initial setup: plug in the repeater to a power outlet near your wireless router, allow it to power on and boot up. The lights on the repeater will indicate its status. Connect to the repeater's Wi-Fi network. Once the repeater is powered on, look for a wireless network named something like Amped_SR10000. Connect your computer or mobile device to this network. The default Wi-Fi password or passphrase may be located on a sticker on the repeater itself. Access the web interface. Open a web browser, e.g., Chrome, Firefox, on the device connected to the repeater. In the address bar, type in the default IP address of the repeater, http://192.168.1.240 or http://setup.ampedwireless.com. Press Enter to access the repeater's web-based setup page. Log in. You may be prompted for a username and password. The default credentials are typically username, admin, password, admin. Setup Wizard. The Setup Wizard will guide you through configuring the repeater. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your existing Wi-Fi network, SSID, and enter the password for it. Choose a new SSID and password for the extended Wi-Fi network, optional but recommended for security. Once you have completed the configuration, save the settings and apply them. The repeater will reboot to apply the changes. After it restarts, it should be connected to your existing Wi-Fi network and extend its coverage. Final steps: once the repeater is set up and running, connect your wireless devices, phones, tablets, laptops, to the newly extended Wi-Fi network SSID.